Hello everyone, welcome to English Speaking course. In today's lesson, we will practice speaking skills together. In part 1, you will listen to a sample of a short conversation. Listen to the tone and the intonation. Try to imitate and copy the native English speaker. Okay, it's time to give it a try. English Speaking course. Part 1, Shadowing. I'm really worried I won't get the scholarship. I've applied to many schools, but I dream about going to Cornell.
You've worked hard, Sharon. Cornell would be lucky to have you.
But what if they don't accept me? I don't know what I'll do.
Let's not think about that now. You've got other schools interested in you too, right?
Yes, but Cornell is my first choice. It's been my dream for so long.
Whatever happens, I'm here for you. We'll figure it out together.
Thanks, John. I just hope I get some good news soon.
You will. Let's go get some ice cream. It'll make you feel better.
Okay, I could use a break from all this waiting.
Sharon, there's a bunch of emails waiting for you. It's time.
I can't, John. My heart's racing. What if it's all bad news?
Whatever it says, you're not alone. Let's face it together right now.
Okay, I'm opening the first one. Oh no, it's a rejection.
It's just one email, Sharon. Keep going. There's more.
This one too. And OMG, another no. I feel like my dreams are crashing down.
Wait, Sharon. There's a yes. You did it. One school wants you.
Really? But it's not. It's not Cornell. I'm happy and sad at the same time.
Sharon, look at me. This yes is your hard work paying off. Cornell or not, you're incredible.
You're right, John. I should be proud. There it is. The email from Cornell. My entire future depends on this click.
You're brave, Sharon. No matter what it says, you're going to make great things happen. Ready?
I don't know if I can look. Tell me what it says, please.
Okay, I'm opening it. Oh my. Sharon, you did it. You're in. Cornell accepted you.
Really? Are you serious? This is a dream come true. I have to call my parents and my teachers. Oh, John, thank you for being by my side.
I wouldn't miss it for the world. This is your moment, Sharon. Your hard work and dreams, they've all led to this.
We need to celebrate. Let's go out and make this day unforgettable.
Part 2, Duet.
Welcome, everyone, to the One Spark Agency Advertising Workshop. I'm Anna, Creative Director of One Spark. I will host today's workshop. Today, we're going to explore the creative process behind successful advertisements. This is so exciting! Let's start by discussing the importance of storytelling in advertising. First, how do you understand storytelling? I need to grab the chance. Raise your hand, Sharon. You, please.
It's the art of telling
I missed the chance.
stories in an
I'm
appealing
stressed.
way.
That's right. Now, who can tell me why storytelling is important for connecting with an audience? It's time. I want to answer, Ms. Great. Just tell me. It creates an emotional connection with the audience, making the advertisement more interesting. Good job. Storytelling allows us to convey our message to the target audience in an interesting way. I'm feeling recognized. I'm really starting to understand this. Now, let's move on to the next topic. Welcome, everyone, to the One Spark Agency Advertising Workshop. I'm Anna, Creative Director of One Spark. I will host today's workshop. Today, we're going to explore the creative process behind successful advertisements. This is so exciting! Let's start by discussing the importance of storytelling in advertising. First, how do you understand storytelling? I need to grab the chance. Raise your hand, Sharon. You, please.
It's the art of telling
I missed the chance.
stories in an
I'm
appealing
stressed.
way.
That's right. Now, who can tell me why storytelling is important for connecting with an audience? It's time. I want to answer, Ms. Great. Just tell me. It creates an emotional connection with the audience, making the advertisement more interesting. Good job. Storytelling allows us to convey our message to the target audience in an interesting way. I'm feeling recognized. I'm really starting to understand this. Now, let's move on to the next topic. Here is the vocabulary of the conversation above. Let's read and listen to the pronunciation of the words. Then, try to read each word again with an example. Number 1, thrilled, adjective, meaning extremely happy about something. Synonym, excited, delighted. Number 2, opportunity, noun, meaning the chance to get a job or to do something that you want to do. Number 3, soak up, phrasal verb, meaning to understand and remember information well. Number 4, storytelling, noun, meaning the act of telling or writing stories. Let's start by discussing the importance of storytelling in advertising. Number 5, appealing, adjective, meaning interesting or attractive.
It's the art of telling
the
stories
chance.
in an
I'm
appealing
stressed.
way.
Number 6, recognize, verb, meaning to show public appreciation for the achievements of someone or a person or group. I'm feeling recognized. I'm really starting to understand this. So that's the end of today's lesson. You did really well. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to practice speaking every day, okay? Goodbye. See you in the next video. Don't forget to practice your English every day to improve your English level. Watch the video for 1 week. Try to think and speak in English every time. Listen and repeat the lesson out loud to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for more useful videos.